Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning some Igbo words and opposites. That's what we're learning today. Okay, so let's get right into it. No time to waste. Right, so before we get into it, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, thank you. Right, so elu means up. Okay, up. Elu. Do you know the opposite of elu? I'm sure you don't know, because why would you click on this video if you knew? So opposite of elu is ala. Okay, ana m aga n'elu. I am going upstairs. Ana m aga n'ala. I am going downstairs. So it can work for downstairs and upstairs, or just up and down, depending on the context. Okay, a means yes. Okay, you can say a or is more common, but some people say a. Okay, are you happy? I'm happy. Okay, or mba means no. Are you happy? Are you happy? Mba. Okay, so mba. Ihu, azụ. Ihu, azụ. So basically, ihu means front, azụ means back. Okay, ihu, azụ. If you think about it, we have some names in Igbo with these in front of them. Ihuoma, azụ, azụka. But yes, ihu, azụ. Ọkụ, oyi. Ọkụ means hot. Okay, hot. Ọ dị ọkụ, hot. Cold, ọ dị oyi. Oyi na-atụ m. I am cold. Isi. Not the head now, but isi. Ọdụ. Isi means first. Okay, isi, first. Ọdụ means last. First and last. Isi na ọdụ. Okay, first and last. Then we have Anyanwu. Anyanwu means sun. Anyanwu. Okay, Onwa means moon. Onwa. Anyanwu na Onwa. Onwa na Anyanwu. Sun and moon. Moon and sun. Anyanwu na-acha. Okay, wow, the sun is shining. Akwa. Ochi. Akwa means cry. Okay, Akwa, cry. Ochi, laughter. Okay, laughter, cry. Akwa, Ochi. Ọ na-ebe akwa. He is crying. Ọ na-ebe akwa. Ọ na-achị ọchị. He is laughing, or she is laughing. So we use "ọ" for the third person. It can be a he or she, and it doesn't matter. In Igbo, we just use "ọ." Ụtụtụ. Morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Okay, ụtụtụ. Abalị. Night. Mbido. Beginning. Mbido. Okay, Njedebe. Njedebe. 4 syllables. Njedebe, to help you in English. Njedebe. Okay, Njedebe means end. Okay, beginning and end. Mbido na njedebe, beginning and end. Please, if I'm too fast, just pause it and write down in your notepad, or just pause it and repeat. Okay, Ochie. Old. Okay, Ochie means old. Ochie, old. Nna m ochie, my grandfather. Ochie. Ohuru. Ohuru means, I'm sure you can guess it, new. Okay, Ochie, old. Ohuru, new. Akwa ahụ dị ọhụrụ. That cloth is new. Akwa ndi ochie. That cloth is old. Okay? Nnukwu. Okay? Nnukwu. Obere. Obere. Nnukwu. I'm sure you can guess this one. Try. Okay, so Nnukwu means big. Okay? Big. Obere means old. Obere means small, small, small. Okay? Big and small. Nnukwu no obere. His eyes are big. Anya ya buru ibu. Or anya ya di nnukwu. Okay? There's something we call nnukwu anya. Like when someone is greedy. But I don't know why I remember that. Anyway. Anya ya di obere. His eyes are small. Okay guys, that will be the end of the video. Please like, share if it helped you. If you got value from this video, please do like, leave a comment, let me know because I appreciate it. And it supports my channel, it helps me to grow. So if you guys want to see me grow, please continue to do this for me. Thanks a lot for watching the video and see you next time.